Last time we learned how to play hot cross buns. Let's review that really quickly. We started with E with your thumb and your first finger. We added a finger to get D, and we added another finger to get C. Now we're going to look in your book and see what that looks like when we write it in music. So go ahead and pause and take out your book and open up to page 6 and look at number 17. When you found it, hit play and we'll move on to the next step. All right, now that we've found number 17 in your book, we're going to talk about what it looks like. So we said our first note was E. Here's what E looks like. Our next one was D. Here's what D looks like. And our next note was C. This is what C looks like. These are all half notes. Half notes get 2 counts each. Then we have 2 counts of rest. This is a half rest. We're going to do the same thing again. 2 counts E, 2 counts D, 2 counts C, and 2 counts of rest. Now we're going on to a new looking note. It's on the same level as the C over here. So this is also a C. This one's filled in. So instead of getting 2 counts like this half note, this one's only going to get 1 count. This is called a quarter note. We will have 4 quarter note Cs in a row.
If there's any
Now we're going to go on to 4 Ds in a row. These are also quarter notes, and they're going to get 1 count each. Then we'll finish by playing the same part as the beginning. So while you're looking at your book, I'd like you to pause and play through Hot Cross Buns and see if you can follow along in the music while you play it. When you're done, I want you to hit play, and we're going to move on to the next thing. Now that we've mastered Hot Cross Buns on our own, we're going to move on to another song. So above number 17 on page 6 in your book is song number 14. And it's called Rolling Along. It's the same as Mary Had a Little Lamb, if you're familiar with that song. We have to learn one new note to play this song. So we know E, D, C, D, E, E, E. All these notes get 1 count, and then we rest for 1 count, D, 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 then we rest, then E, and then here is our new note. This is a G. This is the most fun note to play on the clarinet because you don't have to push any fingers down at all. So when we hold our clarinet, we put our thumb underneath this thumb rest. We're going to rest all of our fingers over the keys like we would normally play them, but we're not going to push them down. We're just going to rest them there. So without pushing any fingers down, we're going to play our new note G, and it sounds like this. Go ahead and pause the video and try playing G a couple of times. When you're ready, we'll go on to the next step. All right. Next is your assignment. Here's the fun part. You're going to play all of number 14 on your own. Remember, each one gets 1 count from the beginning all the way to the end. Make sure you record yourself on your camera and then upload it to assignment number 2.3, lesson 2.3. You have until the end of class to get this done. If you don't get it done in class, it is going to be homework and it will be due the next time we have band. Happy playing!